Sanibonani ke kwindawo zonke enibukeleni kuzo nje iSouth Africa yonke. Namhlanje ke sibuhlanti siya decide ukuthi yazini kunezinto ezenziwa ngamajita and lezi zinto ezenza ngamajita asikhulumi ngazo. So namhlanje siyazi ukuthi kunama projects establishwa, for instance iGauteng Men's Forum ye social development namahlakani ayo. Ziningi ke i-project ezinye siyazazi, but namhlanje sidecide ukuthi make sikhulume nge-adopt a GOGO stroke MKHULU Foundation. Yeah, before sikhulume nama principles ale project, ngiyajabula ukuthi senifake nabo mkhulu ngoba mhlana niqala le project omkhulu babengekho, sasikhuluma ngogogo bodwa. Ngicela nje uzi-introduce ebantwini ukuthi lo babengihleli naye ubani.
Mangibingelele bahlakazi bami nomphakathi. I-adopt igama lami nguFraser Ngwakathabethe. Ngiyi-coordinator ye-Adopt a GOGO stroke MKHULU Foundation, of which iyaqala emva kokuthi singamadoda sihlangane sibonisana ukuthi singayilwa kanjani i-issue ye-gender based violence. Kwacaca ukuthi ama-victims we-gender based violence abanye babo abogogo nabomkhulu.
Sizokhuluma ngayo mase sibuya ngoba ngifuna sizwe ama-principles ale project ukuthi athini ngale project. This is very interesting.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Pauline Mokhama. I'm from Gauteng Department of Social Development. I'm a social work manager responsible for the older persons program in the department and in the province. Today we had a meeting here regarding the Adopt a GOGO program. This is a program whereby the department is involved with an NGO to render services to older persons in different communities of Gauteng, in all the 5 regions of Gauteng. The program has 5 different coordinators in each region and 1 provincial coordinator who oversees the program and also gets to manage the regional coordinators. What happens is that the department would provide funding for the adopters to adopt GOGOs in the community. Ideally, we need to have older persons who are not able to care for themselves or who are at risk of being violated or abused to be adopted in the communities. So we've got quite a number of adopters in different regions and to render the services to our beneficiaries and to make sure that our older person stays longer in their communities and in their households. So the department provides funding to the NGO to appoint the coordinators of the province, of the regions, to appoint the adopters who works with the beneficiaries in the communities. The services rendered is that the adopters would visit older persons on weekly, daily basis, depending on the risk that the older persons is exposed to check that they are safe, they are well kept, they are well taken care of, and or their overall assessment and their well-being is kept. This is in line with the Older Persons Act, number 13 of 2006, that older persons need to be cared for and protected at all times. So the program aims at preventing risks that older persons can be posed to.
Good day, everyone. My name is Ebuhlanti Mojela. I'm from the program called Adopt a GOGO stroke MKHULU. I'm a provincial coordinator. The program that we are doing as Adopt a GOGO stroke MKHULU is we are adopting elderly people who are living alone and vulnerable to the society. What we are doing currently, we are having we are based in 5 regions in the province, of which we are having adopters who are checking the elderly every day in their houses to see if they are okay, And what I can explain again, it's the program was started by Gauteng Men's Forum. They initiated the program because they saw that there's a need, because every time people are saying men are doing wrong things, men are abusing women and older people, then they initiated the program. They started the program to say, let us start this thing that we called Adopt a GOGO Stroke MKHULU to check our elderly every day if they are okay. What we are doing as Adopt a GOGO Stroke MKHULU is we are visiting our beneficiaries every day through the adopters. And we are not the home-based care. We are just checking the elderly if they are okay, to see the challenges that they are facing every day in their household, like abuse. If they have challenges with SASSA, we refer them to SASSA. If they have challenges with Home Affairs, we refer them to Home Affairs. If they are having challenges with children who are involved in drugs, we do assist them in referring the children to the rehabilitation center, working with social workers who assist us in our cases mostly.
Okay, the Department of Social Development has got 3 critical programs that are funded within the department that we provide funding to the NPOs to render services under. We've got the residential care facilities for older persons, we've got the service centers, and we've got the home-based care program. The residential care facilities is what was previously referred to as old age homes, but as soon as the act was promulgated, it is now called the residential care facilities for older persons. In the residential care facilities, the services that are rendered is 24/7 services for older persons who are frail, who are not able to look after themselves or provide for themselves. They are taken care of fully by different categories of professionals. In the residential care facilities, we've got nurses, we've got social workers, we've got caregivers, and occupational therapists, depending on the services that are required by the beneficiaries in each and every residential care facility. We've got service centers wherein older persons gather on a daily basis to interact with their peers within the community. Older persons in this case are staying in their households within the communities, and they meet with their peers on a daily basis to interact and learn from each other ways of doing things in their age group. And they are provided with different programs, including the daily meals that they receive from the centers. They also participate in active aging programs. We've got the Golden Games, and we also have the gym facilities that the department has funded NPOs to keep older persons active and to ensure that they stay and remain in communities for as long as possible. And then we've got the home-based care services, whereby older persons still remain in their houses within the community, but they are not able to care for themselves. We have NPOs that are funded to have caregivers looking after those older persons in their homes. They attend to their needs, they clean for them, they wash them, they wash their clothes, they cook for them, just to ensure that they are safe and well kept in their houses.
Currently, we are having 595 beneficiaries from all region, and we are having 5 coordinators with 54 adopters in the province, with 1 provincial coordinator.
Ake nizizwile ke inkokheli nabantu aba behind le project enhle kangaka. I'm sure South Africans adopter in various communities. Make sihambe seyitolo sibuye ke sikhulume noBaba uThabethe. Sesibuyile ke itolo, igama lami ngikumbulelo Jasi. Nginomdla man Baba uThabethe ngoba ngagcina kudala sengibona sekufaka nabomkhulu manje kule project. Awusho ukuthi yini eyenza ukuthi niqale le project enhle kangaka, ngoba siyazi ukuthi in various communities abogogo ba associated ne witchcraft. njengoba bekhula angithi umuntu angeke abe muhle from ukuzalwa kwakhe ade ayoba mdala
kunjalo.
but in our communities abantu abadala siba associate nokuthakatha njalo njalo ziningi nje and asibanaki bahlala kuma old age home njalo njalo. Yini eyaniphusha ukuthi niqale le project?
Isikakhulu kunama dynamics amaningi enzakalayo ku life space yabantu abadala kuleli izwe lethu. Uzokhumbula ukuthi kunendawo efana ezibizwa ukuthi ama old age home. Kube khona ama service centers la ekhlaleni. Lezo zindawo zi-addressa a certain need ku life space yomuntu omdala. But kuba khona izidingo zakhe that are not covered by those services. Old age homes and service old age service centers. So thina ke ku Adopt a GOGO we look at those unique or dynamic challenges that abantu abadala ababhekana nazo. For an example, uthola ukuthi umuntu omdala uhlukunyezwa abazukulu. Isikhathi esiningi abantu abadala esibabhekelela kakhulu yilabo abahlala emakhaya wabo, not in a secure center. Ngoba lapho there are already services that caters for labo bantu abahlala lapho. But you do come across abantu abadala uthola ukuthi for some reason or another they have to stay home with their families. Bese ke kuba khona ama issues secondary abuse that are taking place ku life space yomuntu omdala. That is exactly where we come in. Uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu omdala i-grant yakhe ayidliwa uye, uyisebenzisa ekutheni abhekelele abazukulu. Mhlawumbe amadodana or amadodakazi or abazukulu bakagogo noma umkhulu bamhlukumeza because ba under
so tell me le project ihluke ngani kuma old age homes?
Okay,
ihluke ngani le project?
Okay,
ngaba uadoptwa ugogo asiwe somewhere okanye uadoptwa ahlale lapha ahlala khona nisebenza kanjani? Uadoptwa ngubani kuqala?
Okay, ugogo into esiyenzayo si identify abantu abane interest ukubheka abantu abadala. Sibathathe ku process ye screening. We may call it vetting. Ukuthi babhekeleke ukuthi ngempela banalo na uthando lokwenza lo msebenzi. And abanawo na ama criminal records and into efana nalezo. Because even people who abangathola ukuthi bahlukumeza kunokusabela bona laba abafuna ukuhlukumeza, but I'm available. So we have to make sure that we go through a screening process. But umbuzo wakho kuphendula umbuzo wakho ekutheni yini umehluko kunalabo abahlala ema home njengaku secure care. Labo gogo nabo mkhulu abanjalo already ba under a system ethize. Othola ukuthi it doesn't really cater for laba abahlala emakhaya. Thini target yethu ilaba abahlala ekuhlaleni emakhaya.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ngoba labo akusiba bogogo nabo mkhulu who are well serviced from time to time.
So ithini i-response yes families lapho ni adopta khona abogogo nomkhulu? Ingaba bayithatha positive le project or kune rebellion? Baye accepta le program?
Umbuzo omuhle kakhulu lo msasazi. Akufani emndenini nje singathi umndeni onganama issues engilanga ngawabala ukuhlukumezeka siyamukeleka. But makwenzekile uthola ukuthi okungenzeka abe umhlukumezi within the family asimukeleki. Kodwa ke umsebenzi wethu ukuthi si observe, sisebenzisa kakhulu observation of our experience when we introduce ourselves kugogo noma kumkhulu.
So labantu aba adopt ogogo ingaba mhlambe ikhona i-support enibanika yona like training or stipend ngoba phela sengisabela lokho ukuthi mhlambe umuntu adopt ugogo kanti uzomphuca ikhadi likasasa kuba nobutsotsi ebantwini.
Yes, emva kokuba simvete siyamtrainer and then senze sure ukuthi that person is monitored ekutheni wenza kahle na umsebenzi wakhe. Indeed you are correct, at the end kufanele kube khona akutholayo naye angazukwazi ukuthi naye ahlephule lapha kugogo. Uyathola ukuthi athola into ebizwa ukuthi stipend and even no government ngathi kuninga kwenzayo ngoba manje nje usazophasisa umthetho ukuthi umuntu ogada ugogo naye kube khona akutholayo as long as ugogo kune-proof ukuthi uyamazi lo muntu unokumsiza, isasa inokufaka uchatha ukuthi ugogo akwazi ukuthi acabangele lowo muntu omgadayo.
Lastly, into ebengifuna ukuyi-check-a nje ukuthi ngoba siyazi ukuthi i-Gauteng DSD Men's Forum is behind this project.
Yes.
Namahlakani ayo njalo njalo. Ubani mhlambi omunye olekelelayo ukuthi le project ingafi ngoba seyisikhathi eside niyibambile le project. Amanye ama-projects ayafa siyawabona aya collapse but le isamile. Yini mhlambi behind le strength eninaso kangaka so that nabanye abantu emakhaya bakwazi ukukopa izinto ezinhle kulama project?
Umbuzo omuhle kakhulu loyo msasazi because i-project manje base la eGauteng mhlawumbe mangabe amanye ama-province angilalela njengoba ngikhuluma kufanele kuqondakale ukuthi i-Department of Social Development yiyo kakhulu esibambisene nayo to a point where sesize siyafunda nokuthi singenza kanjani ukuthi sigcine sizimele, sizifundraisele, senza abomagala dinner just to make sure ukuthi sustain this program going forward. So i-program engathi nje kafushane iyadingeka nationally but okwamanje i-base la eGauteng because it is funded by i-Department of Social Development eGauteng.
Bengihleli nobabutha bethe lana uphuma kwi-organization very interesting enakekela abogogo nabomkhulu njalo njalo. Akhona amadoda enza izinto ezinhle in the communities. Kufuneka singayibaleki lonto and sibanike i-exposure. Bazi abantu base South Africa bayazi ukuthi nangona bekhona abahlukumezi but i-majority amadoda in this country enza izinto ezinhle kumphakathi. Siyabonga kakhulu make sihambe seyitolo. Sisesebhlanti ke sesibule eyitolo ngoba bengifuna ukuthi ke si-check ukuthi labantu laba aba-adopt ogogo lama volunteer enzani ke sibone umsebenzi abawenzayo ngoba kubalekile ukuthi abantu lezinto sizilandele sibone ukuthi kwenzekani kahlehle make sihambe selapha ePitoli ke sibone ukuthi kwenziwani lapha.
Emadoda sabelani yo emadoda sabelani emadoda mandani ayo lengus city lengus ayaphela bafa emadoda sabelani yo emadoda sabelani Emadoda mamelani emadoda mamelani emadoda nandani.
The reason that attracted me for this program, when I was going outside, I see a lot of gogos who are struggling emotionally, physically. Some they took their grant card where they don't know where are they going to report the cases. So when I'm looking at that thing outside, I've been attracted when I heard about the Adopt a GOGO program from Asian Action. Then I was interested on joining them.
The most important part that attracted me to this program is to do with the benefits of the elderly people, the GOGOs and the MKHULUs. So, kabongata habona ke bono hore ebe batho like bathusa most of them around my place in my neighborhood where I'm staying, they are very much abandoned and abused.
Ntho e leng hore ingira hore ke attracte mo mergongo hore hantshi he re tsamaya re ira field work so re kopana le di crisis tsa bogogo le bontate moholo then ba struggle ka di matters tsa ditloholo tse leng hore ba batlisetsa tsona mo motseng ya bona and then re khona ba thusa ka di issues tse bana le tsona.
Social development provides support to us by assisting us with a stipend, food parcels if they do have food parcel by that time, especially to our emergency elder who need food parcel by that time. And they also provide us workshop training where they capacitate all the staff members that we have in our organization.
Okay, the benefit of them, they no longer feel loneliness because of my presence to them weekly when I check them. Go meeting yabona, and then like we catch up. Moli mo ke na le hore ke ba advice ka di challenges tse ba mpotsang tsona tse ba nang le tsona ba di fisang ka mo malapeng a bona. Especially most to do the grandkids tsa bona.
Most of the times ke na le activity le bona like rira social health talk le bona ka di under good condition ya bona ibile re ba supporta emotionally, and then mo long hore ba ka di gardening le di sewing, and then let's see.
Okay, the activities tse ke thusang bonkgono ka tsona ke go re ke ba collectela di plastic, and then re ra di plastic mats together le ba bang le go re di house chores.
Ebuthabethe sibonile ke ama volunteer aba adopt ogogo bewenza lo msebenzi in communities. Amazwi akho okugcina mhlambe onowaphosa lapho phosa inselelo lapha emadodeni kunamadoda give up hayo acabanga ukuthi ezinye izinto bekusuppose zenziwa omama bona ngeke bakwazi ukwenza umsebenzi wabafazi njalo njalo. Ungathini kulo madoda azama ukugive up athi wona hayi thina la eSouth Africa sanakwa ne-anger njalo njalo, and then mhlambe lokugcina nje usho ukuthi umuntu ofuna ukujoyina le nhlangano wenza kanjani ngoba phela sengizulu ukhuluma ngama-stipend.
Ngiyakuzwa lapho msasazi. I-aim yethu bekuthi kwi-program itself the adopters should be men.
Yeah.
But sizovumelana ukuthi isikhathi esiningi kuba khona abogogo nabomkhulu who are bedridden.
Yeah.
Whereby uyabona ukuthi impela isandla somuntu wesimame is universal.
Yeah.
Because umuntu wesimame uyakwazi ukutake care of umuntu wesimame.
It's not a gender statement. Ama-facts.
Ama-facts. Ngiyabonga msasazi. So but i-aim yethu ukuthi sithole kube khona abantu besilisa more abangama adopters.
Yeah.
Ngibuye ngiphendule ke embuzweni wakho ukuthi kungenzeka kanjani ukuthi sithatha kanjani abantu sirecruiter kanjani.
Yeah.
Lapho bengachaza nje kafushane ukuthi inhloso yethu ukuthi sithathe abantu mhlambe abasebenzayo kakhulu izokwazi ukuthi program yethu umuntu nomuntu olalele manje pinpoint ukuthi la ngihlala khona akhona ama adopters. Ngisho lokho ngoba yourself sitting next to me now, you will tell me ukuthi but Thabethe ngiyakuzwa kodwa mina lapha ngihlala khona ngaze ngibona ama adopters. So sithathe inyathelo ke sokuthi ake sirecruite abasebenzi kakhulu baka government, amaphoyisa, othishera, onesi, siba train ba adopt ogogo ngoba nathi siconfinewa ibudget ukuthi unyaka nonyaka masinikeza imali sibhadala istipend lo khuluma ngaso thi si attraction kubantu abaningi.
Abuthabethe sishaya isikhathi mhlambe ngelinye ilanga sophinde sikubize futhi mhlambe nalabo sebenza nabo mhlambe siphinde futhi sikhulume ngalolu daba, kodwa ngiyacela ukuthi nibe bias towards abantu abangasebenzi ngoba phela le ukuthi umuntu osebenzayo aphinde athole stipend nokho kule ndlala siyibona eSouth Africa nabantu abangasebenzi, but it's okay. Sophinde sikhulume ngalolu daba bekumnandi ukuba nawo kakhulu. Siyabonga kakhulu. Igama lami ke ndingumlolo Jasi, mangithi nje lapha emakhaya ncinzilili.